liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a plethora of goodies. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's get into this wig, and I was super excited to get it because the color, there was no photo of, nor could I find anything in the Google search about this color. And I'm like, time to take a chance and go for it, because the color is vintage rose. I mean, it really could have been anything, and of course it was gonna be fabulous. So this wig right here is actually from divatress.com. I'll have the link down below for literally everything, including coupon codes. Go get those coupon codes, save some money, and be fabulous. Anyway, so like I said, it's from Divatress. This is a wig from Sensational right here. And of course I saw it in the blonde. I'm like, naturally, I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna get in the blonde. And I was like, girl, you've got a lot of blonde wigs. You got a lot of brown wigs. You got a lot of just regular wigs. Why not do something a little different? So like I said, I actually, this of course shows it right here, this little swatch of the vintage rose, but literally there was not a color on Google that I could find what this vintage rose actually looked like. So super excited to actually get this. I was like, what is this wig gonna look like? Anyway, so a little bit about this wig. It's actually heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This has also a 6-inch parting, which is really great. And what's funny, it just says shift 3 ways for parting, which is basically like a regular wig where you just shift it around for your part. And also it is pre-plucked, and that there are baby hairs already on the wig, which is actually pretty great. I really like this wig because this has layers and whatnot. So yeah, so just a little bit of that wig right here, a little bit of information. So, you know, just all good. So let's actually take a look at this vintage rose. Wow, isn't that so interesting? It's definitely like a dusty color. And I mean, I guess that is a vintage rose. I mean, I'm trying to think of like what color combination. I definitely feel like it's like copper red, purple. I mean, what do you guys think about this? I really dig it. It's totally different, unlike anything I've ever seen. And it's gonna definitely go with this whole dusty, kind of smoky look that I got going on right here. So, like I said, there are layers. So it actually is pretty nice and full, and it doesn't really come to a big V. It just kind of, you know, just like a kind of like a regular wig without the V. But it has these really great layers, as you can see here. And then also it has, I would say, very dark brown, or maybe even a 1B, but no, I'm definitely looking at it in the light right here, and it definitely is a very dark brown root. So it's not a black, it's not a 1B. It is a very dark brown root, which is great. So it's kind of soft with that gradation right there. All right, so let's take a look at the inside of the wig. See what's going on in here. There are actually 2 combs right up here in the front, right by the parting. And then also there is 1 comb in the back with the fasteners. And pretty great. All right, so, and also this is a very soft, silky wig. It feels really great. All right, so I have my wig caps, which I have from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. I got a 10-pack for $5.99, like the deal of the century. I love having wig caps all over my life. All right, so I'm gonna scoot it back a little bit. I wear my wigs front to back. Also, this wig is from what I'm gonna gather, big head friendly from what it feels like from putting the fasteners on, just enough YI. Okay, big head friendly. Let's see some of these little baby hairs, which I'm not gonna mess with because I'm just putting it on for you. All right, so let's put this girl down the middle. Wow, look at that. And she's long. I'm 5'7", so this is definitely just past my waist. This is down the center. Let me scoop this thing in. What do you guys think? I really love this color because it's so different. All right, so let's part this on the side that I normally part my hair. Oh yeah, this is great. I really like this. It's very full, it's soft, and it still feels very light on my head. Really love it. Okay, let's do it on the other side now. See if it does anything. With the Misfit eyebrow. This is a good look too. I could definitely do the Misfit eyebrow with a showcasing. And of course, all I did with this wig was just cut the lace off the front. Haven't done anything, haven't even applied any kind of powder or anything to the hairline. But I really love it. Let me know what you guys think about this. Again, this is from divatress.com. I have all the coupons and info down below. So let me know, of course, if you have this wig. If you have a color of wig like this, I would love to know about it. Reach out to me. Honestly, I love to hear from you, and I love to see your looks, your wigs, everything. So reach out to me like down below, and of course my Instagram is right here, and like a great way for you to reach out to me and send me your photos. I want to thank you all for stopping by, and of course, remember, life is short, wear a wig, and be fabulous. So let's be fabulous together, and I so appreciate you, and we will see you soon.